Hey everyone, so in this tutorial I just wanted to show you something really cool. So I'm working here on the mirror for our Porsche car modeling course, and if you want to learn the full step-by-step process of modeling a Porsche 911 from scratch, I've created a brand new course that teaches you industry standard techniques with easy to use plasticity tools. You will master everything from creating precise curves to producing high quality complex surfaces and blending seamless transitions, all broken down into simple steps. So if you're ready to use plasticity in incredible, never before seen ways, check out first link in the description for all of the details. And now let's dive into our today's video. But we have here this, I don't know, it's such a beautiful design. Look how organic this is, everything, I don't know, it's such a beautiful thing. And the interesting thing is, so if we check out and just let me hide all of those curves. So here you see we have created already this beautiful smooth shape and everything looks super nice and organic and connected, right? And now, so before I will connect here this holding piece, so what we have already created here, so we have this thing here, right? And we have that thing on the top, and yeah, this piece to connect, this is such a fun because look, we have so much surface depth and interesting shapes. But yeah, anyway, so we have our outer mirror here, but you see we have this little chamfer here, right? And this is extremely important because yeah, without this chamfer this wouldn't look so good. And this chamfer goes all around the round complex surface, right? So exactly what we have here. Let me hide our car and all of its pieces. And right, we have this massive complex edge ongoing. So how can you add now this chamfer? So how can we add this perfect little detail that will go completely all around with one clean surface? So you can just pause the video and try to think. And maybe someone starts to think, I don't even know where to start. Maybe I have to create this surface first and then maybe I can offset then and then I can chamfer or something. Or I don't know, maybe I will just duplicate this curve and then I maybe offset that and then I start to chamfer that, and maybe I just have to do it then here as well and then go one by one. Then yeah, it will take you till Christmas and you will not get one super continuous clean surface because the distance will be always off. So an absolute amazing trick that I will show you here. And you can use that always or very most of the time for such complex edge flow and just organic surfaces. So we want to create a little line. So I will create a line. And I just snap to any point, doesn't matter where. So I just snap it here. And I will just kind of create the profile of our little chamfer. So something like that, right? And now I just want that this profile goes all around that nice edge. But how can we do that? So maybe someone thinks, oh yeah, okay, I can just select this edge here and duplicate it with Shift D. Then I can just sweep it, bam. But if you thought this way, then you are not so far away because it's almost what we will do, but you can't just sweep that around, right? Because again, this is like way too complex edge flow. So what we want to do is we want to select this edge that we just duplicated and unjoin. So Alt J, and now we have all of those separate pieces. And what we want to do is now we want to just break it down into 2 or 3 pieces. So I will select a few of those pieces. So yeah, I think something like that. So 1/2 and join, because now this will or might work out, because now again, if I select this and sweep it, bam, you see, now it goes nice smoothly around because it's not too long and it knows what to do. But we have two problems. So first of all, let's start simple. You see it's going at the end, so it bends a little bit inside. But if we check out here also a reference image, if you zoom very closely in, you see it goes like outside. So for that, we have a beautiful option here to twist it. And now we can twist it. And also, just one note, very, very often, or not very often, but in many cases, the twist doesn't work. And it doesn't work because the edge, so the original edge was not clean enough. It was not G1 or G2 continuous, because if you check out our edge here, it's everywhere G1 or G2 continuity, because all of our surfaces are perfectly smoothly connected together. And that's why if you sweep it, we can give here in this example without any problems twist. And this is the whole point, guys. You know, I don't teach you just random beginner techniques and just stuff that, I don't know, just random stuff. So you see, I teach you stuff that really works. And from the beginning on, so also, as I told you here, we set up the edges, the cuts, the surfaces in a way that even such a complex operation like a twist on such a conic shape works. But yeah, so we can give here our little twist. And you see, we don't have any problems. So we can press OK. And let's just delete this curve here. But now we have this mess here. Because, yeah, we have this sharp corner here, kind of, right? So we have to fix that. And how is and that's also very simple to fix. So we can just create a line and go here where our mess starts, and we just cut a piece away. So we imprint this onto our surface here, delete the curve, and now we just delete all that mess. And so this is the beauty of surface modeling. That's why I love it so much to teach it to you, because only with this techniques and workflows, you literally can solve any problem. You can create any surface, because look, we had this super crazy stuff ongoing, but we can just delete it. Now we can join all of those surfaces, and look, just 2 steps to fix it. We just select this edge and this edge, and we just click bridge edge, right? So Shift B command for me. So we just bridge them. So bridge edge command, I have it on a shortcut. And look, we already have a perfect curve, which follows exactly the shape. So that was step 1. And step 2 is we just loft that. We loft, tap, G0, shift, and shift. And voila. It took us 5 seconds. And we have an absolute amazing, beautiful surface. So let's go and fix the rest here. So we go to our second half of the curve and join all of those pieces, except this one little piece. I will show you why. So let's join those with J. And again, let's sweep it. Bam. And you see it works again perfectly, and it's nice at the top aligned. But here, again, at the end, you see it, it goes a little bit into the wrong direction. So again, we can just twist it. And in this example, look, it's absolutely not a problem, because again, everything is connected in G1 and G2. And we just have to a little bit adjust it to the same angle. So yeah, something like that. Okay, let's delete the curve and let's join everything. Delete that curve. So let's join. And you see we don't have any problems. And here, super simple, we just select those 2 edges, Shift B, bridge edge. with G1 continuity. And here select this and loft, shift, shift. And bam, bam, bam. Let's delete that. Let's join that. And look, guys, we have an absolute amazing, beautiful chamfer. And now starts the real fun. Now we can start to fill these holes and loft everything step by step and really go deep into surface modeling. And this is something that I will teach my students in the Porsche car modeling course. So again, if you want to learn how to model that whole Porsche completely from scratch with absolutely amazing techniques, and you want to create this kind of mirror, then I show that everything step by step with narration in the course. So first link in the description box, you can find all of the previews, all of the information, the price, all that kind of stuff. So check that out if you want. And otherwise, leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.